Your dogs are going to love fresh flowing water. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a great dog water fountain. It holds just over 2 gallons of water, which makes it perfect for our multi-dog household or for a larger dog. So my favorite feature about this water fountain is the splash guard. We usually put a silicone mat underneath our dogs' bowls because, they do make a mess from time to time when they drink water, but this splash guard prevents that from happening. It prevents the water from splashing all over the floor as your dogs drink out of it. Honestly, though, this fountain has a lot of great features. The fountain offers 3 different drinking areas. There's the fountain lid, there's the upper fountain area, and then there's the little waterfall. So your pet can actually choose how they want to drink from the fountain. And they're getting triple filtered water. The sponge collects pet hair and debris, and then there's an ion exchange resin layer that can help soften hard water, and of course, the activated carbon layer to remove bad tastes and odor. Triple filtered water. I also want to make sure to let you guys know that this fountain is BPA free. It's super easy to clean. You can take the entire thing apart and give it a nice deep clean. Personally, I recommend doing this about once a week. Another great feature that I want to point out is the visible water level window. You can see how much water is in the fountain, that way you know when to fill it. You always want to fill it before it goes below the pump, as this will extend the life of your pump. This is a really great water fountain. I love the large capacity, the splash guard is great, and I love how quiet it is. If you're looking for a great water fountain for your dogs, we recommend this.